In this video, we're going to go over the GEN2 EdgeLabel Faceplate, which is by far the most popular premium faceplate in the collection. If you're not familiar with it, the GEN2 system is a very modular 3D printable system that you can rearrange and customize and, even build beyond just drawers now. There's now 18 sizes of the EdgeLabel faceplate, depending on what drawer size you go with. And this right here is a 1x1. Right here's a 4x2 for reference. So assembly is quite simple. You'll print this in, there's a label and an optional back piece here. I'll show you when we use that. But the new design's a little lighter weight. I did terrible color combos here, but just ignore that. But yeah, you can see where I added gaps in here, and that just saves on a lot of material and print time. You're gonna cover it up anyways. But yeah, this can just be printed flat on any printer. You don't have to print it in multiple colors. You can just do one if you have a single color printer. But you print that, then you also print an accent piece, which you can print on a textured build plate with fun filaments. The idea here is the drawer you're printing with affordable material, and this you're printing with more of your special material and barely using any of that filament. But that just snaps in there like that. And then you have your label for the EdgeLabel, and that just snaps in here like this. And I now have an online tool, so you can generate these much quicker and easier than trying to use your slicer alone to set those up. You can even import spreadsheets if you have to. This piece right here is for newer decor drawers that have an open front like this, and that is totally optional. It's just there to close off the gap a little bit if you have smaller parts in the drawer. Otherwise, you don't have to print it, but just small part. That snaps on there like that. And there are also new, very strong snaps right here to aggressively snap into the drawer. Alternatively, you can use these little dovetail pins that just slot in here, and they will lock in place and snap it into the drawer that way. And without any tools or anything, you can essentially just assemble these drawers just like that, and they're held together extremely well. And that's it. If you're looking for a free alternative to the EdgeLabel, check out the new Essential series faceplate. This is a great faceplate for printing on textured beds. Super simple, and you can attach a bunch of different handles to it.